ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു GKC ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽസ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകും മുമ്പ് നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിൽ ക്യാഷ് നൽകി ജോയിൻ മെമ്പർ ആകാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവർ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് ഈ ചാനലിൽ ലഭ്യമാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള അനൗൺസ്മെന്റ് വീഡിയോ നിർബന്ധമായും കാണുക. ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും ആവശ്യമായ ക്ലാസുകൾ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ഉറപ്പുവരുത്തിയ ശേഷം മാത്രമേ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാവൂ. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ കേരള PUCയുടെ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്, ജൂനിയർ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്, അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ്, അക്കൗണ്ട്സ് ക്ലർക്ക് അതിന്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ്. നേരെ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. അതിനു മുൻപ് നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് ട്രൂ വിത്ത് റിഗാർഡ്സ് ടു ക്യാഷ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട്? ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആർ: it is discount on prompt payment, it is discount on price at sales, it is a discount given in cash, it is a reduction in face value. Correct answer, it is discount on prompt payment. Next, who is associated with the term marketing myopia? Answer, Theodore Levitt. Next, in which of the following pricing strategy the marketer charge maximum price on introducing a new product? Options are: penetrating pricing, going rate pricing, skimmed pricing, full cost pricing. Correct answer, skimmed pricing. Dash is the set of all product and items that a seller offers to sell. Answer, product mix. Which of the following do not fall under 4 P's suggested by McCarthy? Correct answer is perfection. Which of the following concept says that the consumers will favor those products that are available widely at low cost? Options are: production concept, selling concept, product concept, marketing concept. Correct answer, production concept. In ABC analysis of stock control, which of the following is true with regards to C category goods? Correct answer, they have loose control. Which of the following is the formula to calculate workers' wage under HALC premium plan? Correct answer is T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. It said that batch costing is an extension of dash costing. Correct answer, job. The smallest sub-unit of an organization where cost collection is attempted is? Answer, cost center. Zero-based budgeting is related to whom of the following? Answer, Philip Kotler, Ronald Reagan, Jimmy Carter, Gerald Ford. Correct answer is Jimmy Carter. In costing, the sum of direct material, direct labor and direct overheads are known as? Answer, prime cost. Cost of abnormal idle time is? Answer, debited to costing P&L account. Which one of the following is an uncontrollable cause of material price variance? Correct answer, change in market price. Two or more product same importance produced during a production process is known as? Answer, joint product. FIFO method is best suited when? Answer, prices are falling. In costing, dash analysis is used primarily for control of spare parts. Answer, VED. Which of the following is true with regards to bin card? Correct answer, it records quantity only. Average stock level is calculated with which formula? Answer is minimum stock plus half recorder quantity. Next question is, what is EOQ? Economic order quantity if consumption per year is 600 units, carrying cost is 20%, ordering cost is rupees 12 per order and price or unit is rupees 20. Correct answer is 600 units. Which of the following is are true with regards to escalation clause? Options are: it is associated with contract costing, applicable when there is a change in the price of labor or material, not applicable when there is a change in the utilization production factors. Last option, both A and B above. The answer is both A and B above. Special drawing right, that means SDR, is related to which of the following institution? Correct answer, IMF. In which year the LIC was formed? The answer is 1956. Which of the following institutions regulate Indian money market in India? Correct answer, RBI. Which institution was formed in India with the help of World Bank? Answer is ICICI. Name the first mutual fund scheme offered in India. Answer, Unit Scheme 64. All except one given below belong to a group. Find out on which does not belong to the group. Correct answer, International Monetary Fund. RBI was established in which year? Answer, 1935. Which was the first development financial institution started in India? Answer, IFCI. Which of the following insurance company has a reinsurance business? Answer is GICF India. What is the meaning of the Latin word audire? So, to hear. Audit notebook is maintained by whom? Answer, audit clerk. Which of the following statement is most suitable to an audit report? Options are: it is a fault finding report of audit, it is a report of errors and frauds, it is an opinion of the auditor, it is always a statutory report. Correct answer, it is an opinion of the auditor. As per Indian Companies Act 2013, Section 139, an individual auditor on appointment shall hold the office for a term of, answer, 5 years. On completion of an audit, audit working papers are retained by the auditor. Which of the following statement is wrong with regards to an internal auditor? Options are: has statutory powers, appointed by the management, is an advisor to management, can be removed at any time. Correct answer is has statutory powers. Not recording a transaction in the books of account is treated as an error of, answer, omission. As per Companies Act 2013, remuneration of the first auditor of a company is fixed by whom of the following? Correct answer, Board of Directors. Question is: who appoint auditor in the case of government company or any other company owned or controlled directly or indirectly by the government as per Companies Act 2013? Correct answer, AG of India, Controller and Auditor General of India. Next, which of the following statement is wrong with regards to internal check? It a part of internal control, it is done by appointed auditor, it is continuous in nature, it is to eliminate errors and frauds. Correct answer, it is done by appointed auditor. Next, following are the names of table of random numbers except. Options are: Tippett's table of random numbers, Kendall and Babington Smith numbers, Lucas table of random numbers, Fisher and Yates numbers. Correct answer, Lucas table of random numbers. The value of probability lies between, answer, 0 and 1. Two unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least on tail? Answer, 3/4. Is the correct expression of regression equation of y on x? Correct answer, y is equal to a plus bx. The value of no relation is, answer, 0. Which of the following is not a property of normal distribution? Correct answer. Coefficient of skewness is 1. Which of the following is not a random sampling method? The judgment sampling. Theory of sampling is based on. Options are principle of statistical regularity, principle of inertia of large numbers, both A and B above, none of this. Correct answer, both A and B above. In which year the Indian Contract Act was passed? Answer 1872. Which is not a negotiable instrument? Answer share certificate. Bank draft is a. Answer negotiable instrument. Grace period for calculating maturity of bill of exchange as per Act is. Answer 3 days. Which of the following endorsement is not valid under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? So it is partial endorsement. The doctrine of reputed ownership is related to which of the following? Options are Contract of Sale of Goods Act, Insolvency Act, Workmen Compensation Act, Indian Contract Act. Correct answer, Insolvency Act. Of the following, which is the formal certificate of dishonor issued by the notary public to the holder of a bill or note on his demand? Answer, protest. Question is, all crossings drawing two parallel transverse lines usually on the left hand top corner on a check with following words between parallel lines are treated as general crossing except. Answer is the State Bank. Which is true with regards to a balance sheet? Answer, it shows position of a business on a particular date. Income received but not earned is. Correct answer is a liability. Bank account is an example of. Answer, personal account. Claimed dividend is shown under which heading in the balance sheet? Answer, current liabilities. Surrender value of joint life policy is shown as asset in the balance sheet when premium is treated as. Answer, an investment. In which year the Income Tax Act was passed? Answer is 1961. Which of the following statement is false with regards to income under Income Tax Act? Options are, it can be earned illegally, it can be irregular or lump sum, it can be gift with clear personal element, it can be of any form. Correct answer, it can be gift with clear personal element. Which of the following is not a business expense? Options are depreciation, salaries, wages, all the above. Correct answer, depreciation. What is meant by the term adjustment purchase? Answer, purchase minus purchase returns. Which one of the following is correct with regards to budget? Options are, it is functional area of management, it is a standing plan, it is a multi-use plan, it is a single-use plan. Correct answer, it is a single-use plan. Which of the following is not a technique of scientific management? Answer, scheduling, standardization, time study, motion study. Correct answer, scheduling. Theory of human motivation, need, hierarchy theory is given by whom? Answer, A.H. Maslow. Who invented difference engine? Answer, Charles Babbage. Who is treated as the founder of Human School of Management? Answer, Elton Mayo. Is not a management function as given by H. Fayol. Answer, stuffing. Which of the following best explains planning premises? Options are planning environment, permission available for planning, resources available for planning, available infrastructure, facilities. Correct answer, planning environment. The idea of functional foremanship of supervision is given by whom? Sir, F.W. Taylor. Which is the oldest form of organization? Answer, line. The process that reduce the gap between planning and performance is. Answer, controlling. Order of command that runs from top to bottom is explained by. Correct answer is scalar chain. Accountability means what? Correct answer, obligation for the performance of duty. Which of the following primarily means the transfer authority from an individual to another? Options are delegating, sharing responsibility, division of labor, departmentalization. Correct answer is delegating. Who issue Treasury bill in India? Correct answer is RBI. ഇനി 20 മാർക്കിന് GK ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടിയാണുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, കൂടി ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ദിസ് ഇസ് ഓൾ ഫോർ ടുഡേ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ വളരെയധികം യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും സംശയങ്ങളും കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുവരെ നമ്മുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് കാണുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. സീ ഇൻ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.